Saka mga medyo 90s na style na tatry natin gawing today. Parang ganun. Okay.
DIY denim over
Okay.
black. So what are we going to do?
Yan yung medyo common sense. Parang if you have an ugly pair of jeans, ugly talaga. Yan, mga tipong jeans ng past life mo, gano'n, itsura. Yan.
Yeah.
What you can do is, basta for some reason, yan, yung mga ganyan, di ba? Parang panahon ng Spice Girl. So medyo, hindi natin siya matotoo now. We can turn it into cut-off shorts. Now, pag binili nyo siya sa mall, you can spend about $800, ganun. So, you just need your scissors. And then, hindi ako masistema na parang may lines pa. Basta sa akin, fold mo lang siya, like, siguro mga 4 inches from the crotch area. Yes. And then, ayun. And then you cut it. Ayan. Parang cooking show lang tayo, pero hindi pagkain. Okay. And then, para sure na pantay, yes, smooth. Okay. Yes.
Very easy.
Yes.
Very easy. Very inexpensive.
And no-brainer siya.
Yeah, no-brainer.
Yes. Okay. So, medyo hinabaan ko siya kasi you have the option to cup it. So, parang mukha siyang mas hindi gawa-gawa lang.